Narrative essay. This is an essay written like an article. That is, it does not need the address of the writer or receiver. It is purely a narrative prose. It is an essay in which you are asked to narrate events, activities, or happening, or even to tell a story. You should remember the following when you are about to write a narrative essay. Number 1, you should write a topic based on the story or event you want to narrate. 2, since you are writing about activities or actions that have already taken place, your tense should be in the past and past participle. However, a good narrator can employ direct speech. Number 3, the question is a narrative essay when the question asks you to tell or narrate the story of how you spent your holiday or what you did when you traveled. 4, it is also a narrative essay when you are asked to tell or narrate a story to illustrate the truth of an adage, idiom, or popular saying. 5, do not write an essay explaining the meaning of the idea, idiom, or popular saying. Let's look at some examples of narrative essays. Question 1. Narrate the events that happened and how you spent your last holiday. 2. You have just witnessed a typical armed robbery operation in which some people lost some of their personal effects. Write a report narrating how the operation started and ended. 3. Write a story to illustrate the truth of the saying that behind every dark cloud there is a silver lining. The outline of a narrative essay may be: number 1, title; 2, introduction; 3, body of the story, which is written in paragraphs; 4, conclusion; 5, writer's name. The title of a narrative essay is not normally compulsory, but when you decide to write one, it should be fashioned from the question itself.